Def, dirty bad mind, mommy do you so? Be a negative, you just a carry.
Hey, over. Now come out here, time. Now you can't do one little maths. Look there.
Food item alone I take your money. Food alone I take your blood clot money. So me I say, everything that's expensive. You don't have nothing to face with cheap. Nothing at all.
So, we are one day, bro, that go make a change. What do you think?
Bro, God now make no change. You can't make no change.
Now, my ruler now, man.
Everything I get there and there.
Program can't make nothing change again.
Nothing
Everything
at all.
must get dear.
Everything I get there and
Nothing
there.
not get cheap, I know. Yeah, but you say food drop, or certain thing drop, cement drop, now black steel. Nothing no drop. Things go.
Why cause of that?
Nothing no drop, madam. Go gas. Who said come off of gas this morning and pour go on back tomorrow morning?
Thing bro God can do I make we get more work and more money. Better salary.
Employ more people.
Yeah, cause when we see now this
Or create more job, build up some factories like what we see that's the way there.
Yeah.
you know what money people can't survive
With
God.
that.
Can't survive without money, you know, man.
Real
We
thing,
need
man.
more employment, you know.
Yeah.
Now, man, right now the same work we are going to foreign go doing in general. We're supposed to can reach, you know. And see ourselves and reach somewhere, you know. Why things have to so hard. Why it have to so hard, that's why we have to fly out to go America, go work a dollar. To maintain our home. That's too hard, man. That's too rough, man. System I just get hard every day, harder and harder. More you find some people just a think for do migrate and left out of them own country.
That's why some of them
For
did already.
For what? You see what I said? That don't make no sense. Then our country I go build. So everybody who have a talent I go away. People who have skill I go away, you understand me? So how the country I go build. Yeah. So you know just step up the gear man and make people can maintain in country man with them living a man. So you know so your salary can maintain your demands. Yeah man. How much our salary can cover with them?
No.
Then that's why we have so much thief. Because you work there but still you did there and have your thief. Because your money, no. Hey, you know that man. Not so much thief there, brother man. Yeah man. If you get good money, you don't need for a thief, nothing. You're just satisfied with your good money already. You get good money, you don't be a thief, nothing man. Yeah man. I qualify people then we are work with people now work if they can't get hustling, you know. No, rocket up here running, you know, God man, a racing work to make extra money, you know. God the money is rough when you get the pay done. You understand me? So you have to risk all your work to make extra money. If you get catch you gone at jail and something there. You understand me? So that not be going. That not be happen, brother. I'm supposed to work and work comfortable. Get me pay, can pay my bills them, feed myself,
Buy food,
put back myself to work and know say yeah, me can put one little money out of my salary in the bank and me gone back to work again. Oh you mean me have to hustle and hustle hard and me have a good job. And me have to hustle so hard. For what? Then where me a work? Better me go hustle alone then. Yeah. Salary week, brother, week. Week everywhere you take your week. Yeah man. Alright. So everybody know if you plan for the business where you make your own a dollar. You understand me? $1 in and one out, so you pay yourself. Most of we want to do that, you know. What the cost we will do it. Not for we not have it. Not for we not have what it takes to start on like a business, you know. Boom, say jump out, so I start on like a business, the amount of tax and stuff where you have to go pay rent and all, and there's something that we have to pay, so, you know. Because you don't have money, we go make new building, we go do business, you have to go rent somewhere, you know. And start on like something, so rent a kill you, light bill a kill you, water rate a kill you.
You know,
You can't make no money, man. How you going to make a money? Where you going to make money after? Can't make no money, man. That's why so much racket up here run God. We have to set the thing better for people make money. Yeah, make people can make money. Then now me can't pay tax now. Because me make money. You understand me? Then them now we get better benefit.
Yes, I am.
Then all our way I make money, you know. So how the system stays are just some set of people that make money. Money is here, you know, got it. But are just some set of people that make the money. You have all man with the whole heap of education now make no money, you know.
Now go on film set, yeah.
Why me? Why?
This man, the million, come out, you know.
Them something enough here happen, man. Everybody be have the access to make money. Yeah. People have to struggle to find a dollar. People have to struggle to eat, a struggle to sleep. Every little thing you find now is struggling to people. You have to struggle to find medical. Everything are just struggling. You understand me? Everything just expensive when we saw. How we go so? Our class this. How we country just gone up high, so everything just high, so our class that. That's foolishness in our life. Yeah, man. Yes, man. I know how much people are under pressure, brother. Whole heap of people are under pressure right now. People now work, people are lose job, people hungry, people bills are run up on people, all type of things are face people now, you know, brother. Who have no feelings for them people? Who think about them people? Eh?
Nobody.
Them can't work, so brother. Me no want to sit down every day, cock up in a one big high chair, I eat the biggest and the richest meal and I drink the dearest of liquor, you know. And what happened to the people them who put me there? Eh? What happened to them? Them no need no life. Brother, that I got pressure me straight, that I got bother me head straight. Can't remember me used to down this up on the floor with you know. Who no push me up there so, and then now me alone up there so I live up there, brother. Me alone to live up there so now I live the life and no member who no down there. So what I go on? Me not go comfortable in my shoes, brother. Me not go comfortable in my seat. No way me not go happy. No. Because me not see a think about the people them straight. Me not see thing around good, brother. I see it around good. People can live better than this. Country can run better too. I mean, we can have better life in this country. Somehow we have to suffer so much sufferation in this. Look how Jamaica little bit. And so much people there so. Full foolishness, brother. That's not call for. Just everything just bias. Yeah, man. One side of the thing, then go some people can't read. No care you even plant, you come like you can't read. Then where you read no make no sense. You know, see, no care, look how hard we were. Look how hard we were. That's what I say. Then where we are actually got it, where we are actually. Rough man, rough man people, me I tell you, man, very rough. People are work too hard for nothing. Yeah. When I say every day, we face every day, one whole heap of hard work for little bit of money. Every time you go up, one heap of hard work for yourself. Where the money there? The one little crumbs of money. That done as you get it.
You do work for that money.
Alright. So where that go, brother, we are go better off, so we are go prosper, so we can survive that way.
One day, you know. That campaign, nobody see half hour, you know.
Then you know, see, so the one make you should on work 1 week and they can't buy you one boot.
Not even fancy good I can't buy good that.
Me not talk about 1 day, 1 week.
You can't buy a shoes.
You can't buy a pair of shoes and you work 1 whole week and call it. Then how we are going to survive? Tell me now my week's pay now and me need a shoes, light bill, pay, food, feed, and all of them. There's something. Oh, me are going to end up without shoes. What me are going to do?
You feel like mood that.
The system rough, bro. My mama telling me say it's rough. Mama can't say no better, man say it's very rough. Yeah. I want to tell you, man. Why things them have to be so expensive? What makes things have to be so expensive? Why?
Foot can't rub down. Yes, you would.
That's why one can say is a family channel, a family little 8-year-old love you. We get my friend them. Aisha! Come in!
Pass, you can't pass a minute money show, you don't know how we know, but we just answer.
Yes, brother.
Get to the drink, how do you, man? Generally, man, more time I come in, because I gamble to you.
Alright.
I'm see me know it's a gamble.
Alright, sir.
More time I come in, I lose the money, and I go for him, I laugh and gamble.
Yeah, man, that's you don't get fucked already, you know. A real thing, brother, you mean, man.
I think I'm going to see this.
Hold it.
Our birthday, you know?
Yeah. Birthday.
Good friend.
We have to reach far, but we don't know where we are.
We're not there on the right way, man. We don't just stand here straight, see him. When you go around this way, you go around the bus stop and go around and go straight like this.
Yeah, man, the boss,
Go on the bus stand.
boss, they are sell some food.
Yeah, when we are come back. But when we stop and get up when we are come back.
Aquam, man. I'm a market
Yeah, trippy.
May I sell some, yeah, man.
This man is a trickster.
Yes. Him good at that, you know.
Yeah, man, big up the whole mobile team.
Just the one hour before
Bless up on yourself.
here. Charge the tech game.
By the cat.
Come on.
Shampoo. Let me. But I kill yourself. Boss there now.
Don't charge me, boss.
So from there I'm Portland, brother, because I have
So
a
fast.
Yeah, man. I mean, so Brooksy, you know what about you too. We so popular, we know people all over.
We have one friend over if it ever come a problem in here, you know, while I grow. One friend we have.
Yeah, man, we have done the thing, man. Straight,
We have up really nice where you come and ask for goodie place.
Some more time we gamble and lose the money.
We gamble and lose and I hear them. Why it's bad at cat when they are so now. And when you look and you get a vibe, you can see money.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Gambling house we own, you know.
Alright.
Yeah,
Forward,
come on,
man.
Good as man, Nicky
Artsy good as man.
Alright, well.
Yes,
Yeah, man.
right.